Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're okay. On today's video, I'm gonna talk a little bit what is to be, ta-da, an Avon representative. So I'm an Avon. Today I want to share with you this little box. This was my first box from Avon. It's the hashtag Watch Me Now, and it was amazing. We're gonna unbox the box. We're gonna unbox this box, and you're gonna know all about the products that comes here. It's amazing. I love this packet. I never forget the first day I got it. All the products together worth about 97 pounds, so it's a lot. And we buy when I bought for 20 pounds, and now I think it's 30 for the August 8th 2021. It's 30 pounds I think. Or you can have a lipstick for the welcome kit. It's just 10 pounds. So let's check it.
Hey there, so welcome to our Avon kit reveal video. Our £30 startup kit, and just show you exactly what products are inside.
First of all, you get this lovely box. It feels really good quality, and if I slowly take the sleeve away, you can start seeing how brilliantly they're packaged. I'll go through each product. And if we start with the Skin So Soft, one of our popular products, but you can see in the box, it says an interesting fact. Our bestseller, we sold 2 every minute in 2019. So you actually get to know and learn about each product. And then we've got another great product, one of our, well, really good sellers, the Beauty Sleep. And there it tells you about it with lavender and chamomile to help you drift off. So it helps you sell the actual product. Then we've got the Aromatherapy perfume. I actually love this, to be honest.
You're keeping that one, Nadine.
Yeah, I am. Hypnotic creation of patchouli intensified by exotic spices, delicate florals and rich amber. But look, the full size product, so it is really good value.
Yeah.
And then we're going to the vitamin C, part of our new range. There it says with the vitamin C of 30 oranges in one bottle. So it's really good for you to, like I said, to learn about the product.
Yeah, it gives you some talking points.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And then we've got a hair product, the Serum, the Ultimate Shine.
Yeah.
And it says there, with crystal light technology for a smooth mirror-like finish. And then we've got another really good seller, part of the Far Away range, the Rebel one. And this is like Alien. So if anybody likes the Alien for teary
it's been compared.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
In fact, it tells you there, in our blind test, 65% Far Away Rebel, as much as Mugler Alien. So there you go.
Yeah.
I knew that before I read it. And then we've got the Glimmer Sticks. These are really good sellers as well. Our #1 eyeliner with over 500 5-star reviews. And there's loads of different colours in the range. And that one, you've got the Blackest Black, which is probably the most popular. Then we've got lipstick. 100% matte, 100% comfortable. And the matte lipsticks were compared to MAC.
Yeah, I wear that lipstick.
Yeah, and they don't crack either.
Yeah.
They're very moisture. Then, obviously, we need a mascara.
I've got that and all.
Yeah. 5-in-1 for volume, length, lift and definition as rich black colour.
Yeah, it is a really good one, that.
It is.
I can vouch for that mascara.
It is. I mean, these products are really good. And then, finally, the new lifting dual eye serum, and this is really good. Apart again from the new range, 94% of those considering an eye lift decided against it after using this for 2 weeks. So that's going to save you a few thousand pounds.
Definitely. If that ain't his selling point, I don't know what is.
Exactly. So this to me is absolutely fabulous to start your Avon business with all these products. I think it's brilliant value.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like, share, and give so much more of me. Thank you. Bye. See you on the next video.